Create project. Projects in Golang are usually referred to as modules. To create a module, we can use the following command in the folder where we will create the module. Go mode init module name. There are actually many more features of Golang modules, but we will discuss them in a special class discussing Golang modules. First, we run the go mode init script. Once done, it will create a Go mode file, indicating that the Golang project is now ready to be used. Create program. Golang is similar to the C/C++ programming languages, where there needs to be something called the main function. The main function is a function that will be executed when the program runs. To create a function, we can use the func keyword. The main function must be located within the main package. Semicolons in Go are not mandatory, meaning we can add semicolons or not at the end of our program code. Now, let's create the main.go file. We specify the package as main, since it will be the main program. We create the main function because, in Golang, it is unique and necessary for execution. There can only be one main function in each Golang project. We will print Hello World. To run the program, you can use the command go run main.go. When you try this, you should see the Hello World message displayed in the terminal. You can also build the project using the go build command. After building, an executable file.exe on Windows will be generated, which can be run separately. Let's try it. Now it should work. All right, let's move on to the next topic.